Bamboo pit viper. It is a venomous snake species commonly found in the forest of India and South Asia. Its coloration varies from green to brown, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the bamboo and dense foliage of its habitat. Despite its venomous nature, it is usually docile and prefers to remain hidden. Dog-faced water snake. It is a mildly venomous aquatic snake commonly found in mangrove habitats and coastal areas of India and South Asia. It is named for its dog-like appearance with a flattened triangular head and nostrils position on the top, resembling a snot.